In this video we will be breaking down swing trade idea for AXP or American Express, which was given in advance in my Discord server and which as usual consists of a combination of Ichimoku, technical analysis and Market Cipher. So let's reconstruct this trade and see how it played out. Alright, as usual we are starting with Ichimoku and we are on higher time frame, we are on weekly. So what do we see? We see big green Kumo Cloud which has upward movement, price extended from the Kumo Cloud, we see bullish Duncan and Kitchen, and it all tell us that we are in a strong bullish trend. Alright, let's go lower to 2 days. We are on 2 days, so what do we see? We see also green Kumo Cloud, we see bullish Duncan and Kitchen, our Kumo Cloud has upward movement, and we also see Chiku span which is above price and it confirms our bullish bias. Okay, so that's it with the 2 days. Let's go to daily. We are on daily and we also see green Kumo Cloud which has upward movement, and right now our price has reached the Kumo Cloud which normally acts as support. It acted as a support here, it acted as a support here, and now it might also act as a support. And this fact we will use as our base to build up our trade setup. Okay, so for the time being we have confluence among higher time frames weekly and 2 days and lower time frames daily, and they all confirm our bullish bias. So I think that's it with Ichimoku. Let's move on to technicals. We are on weekly. What do we see? We see weekly level here which was gapped, and we see weekly level here, and we see weekly level here. I think we need to change it to this one. Yes. So that's it with the weekly. Let's go lower to daily. We are on daily. What do we see? We see daily level here, and we see daily level here, and also we have daily level here. That's it with daily. Let's move lower. So what do we do next? We pull our Fib. What do we see? We see golden pocket. So what do we have now? We have golden pocket, and it also aligns perfectly with our weekly level. We can write it down. Okay, and how does it align with Ichimoku? It aligns perfectly. So right now we have confluences among Ichimoku and technical analysis. We have golden pocket and weekly level, and also daily cloud in the same area of interest. Let's write down. Okay, so it will be our foundation for building up our trade. What's next? Let's look at our pivot points. We have S3 weekly. Let's add it to our list of confluences. Okay, let's look at monthly. Oh, we also have S1 monthly level, which aligns almost perfectly with our other confluences. Let's write it down. Okay, good. So what's next? Let's look at anchored VWAP. So let's look from this low. Not really. Let's look from this low. Okay, so it acted as a support here, and for the time being it's a bit far away from our area of interest, so let's remove it. What's next? Let's also take a look at our Pitchfork. This low, this high, this low. Okay, great. So what do we see? We see it acted as a resistance here, support here, resistance here, and it might act as a support here because we are in the lower side of our channel. Let's add it to our list of confluences as well. For the time being we have 6 confluences in one area of interest: golden pocket, weekly level, daily cloud, S3 weekly, S1 monthly, and Pitchfork. I think that's it with technicals. Let's move to Market Cipher and see what it will tell us. When we trade daily cloud and we take long position, we want to see MFI on daily being in green, and on 12-hour time frame we also want to see it in green, and for the time being it just entered red, which is a bit concerning. Alright, and on 4-hour time frames we want to see V-shaped divergence with money flow coming up like this, and that's exactly what we are seeing right now. And on 1-hour time frame we want to see V-shaped divergence like this and money flow coming up. It is better seen on Heiken Ashi candles. Yes, V-shape and money flow coming up. Yeah, I use both candles for evaluation. Let's move back to regular candles. Let's finish reconstruction of our trade and see how it played out. I would target this level as a TP1, this daily level, which I forgot to mark, I would target as a TP2, and the rest I would leave as a runner. Okay, as we can see, we hit our TP1, and that's good. Let's take a look at what could be the reason why our trade played out as it played out. Let's look at weekly time frame. And what do we see? We see big V-shaped divergence on weekly, and let's take a look on 2 weeks candles. And we can see here clearly V-shape huge divergence. So higher time frames always supersede lower time frames, and because of this divergence we went lower. Okay, so that's it with this trade. I hope you found these technicals valuable. If so, give this video a like. And I hope to see you in my Discord channel and in the next one.